தம்பி ஐயா மொள்ள வாங்கடா டேய் மொள்ள வாங்க சுலாவா
பிள்ளைகளை வந்து சேருமையா உத்தமரு ரொம்ப வசந்தவரு என்ன பெற்றவரு பெரியவரு அவரை போல அரசி பாருங்க உலகத்துல அண்ணன் பச்ச
Good evening everybody. On behalf of KVS Nursery and Primary School, we heartily thank for all the dignitaries, parents and friends, those who are accepted our invitation and attended this function. Thank you parents and students. Sir. Madam, go to madam. Next I will the lamp. Next, I would like to invite Punnasamy sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Standard. Good evening, respected Chief Guest, Principal. School's Annual Day celebration. Today is a very special day for all of us as we gather here to celebrate the achievement, talents and hard work of our students. On this occasion, we have planned an exciting program filled with dance, music, drama, and inspiring speeches. Each performance is a result of great teamwork, creativity, and practice by our students and teachers. I am sure you will enjoy every moment of it. We are also here to honor the students who have excelled in different fields. Their hard work and determination inspire all of us to aim higher and do better. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our respected principal and teachers for their guidance and effort. A big thank you to all the parents for being here and supporting us always. Thank you and welcome once again.
As we gather here to celebrate the achievements, talents and the hard work of our students. Annual Day is not just an event, it is a reflection of our efforts and dedication throughout the year. It is a day to showcase the amazing talents of our students. Whether in academic, sports and cultural activities, it is also a time to thank our teacher and parents for their constant support and encouragement. I hope you all enjoy this program and that it turns out to be a great success and memorable one for all of us. I would like to invite Mr. Vijay Veluswamy and Mrs. K. Vijayamalli, MA B.Ed, Government Higher Secondary School, Gollamangalam. Welcome, sir. Tangamani Vijay Kutti, sir, correspondent of KVS School. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. C. Parimala Vijay Kutti, MA B.Ed, Principal of KVS School. Welcome, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Mesai Rajendran, sir, senior actor. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to invite Dr. N. Kalaivasan, sir, Professor and Head Department of Chemistry. Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Next, I would like to invite Dr. N. Sangeeta Kalaivasan, Professor, Senior Sense, VIT University, Vellore. Next, I would like to invite Mr. E. Dayalan, BA, TNSTC, Checking Inspector, Gudiyatham. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Geeta Devendran, Saudi Arabia. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Sugumaran, MPhil, PhD, VIT University. Next, I would like to invite Mr. C. Subramani, sir, MA, Inspector of Police, Paligonda. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Malarpadi Mohan, MCom B.Ed. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. R. Sivagami Sundari, MSc B.Ed, Headmistress, Government Higher Secondary School, Pallalakuppam. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Ponnusamy, ex-army, Pasmathur. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Porkai Pondian, BCom, PTA, Government Higher Secondary School, Pernambuc. Next, I would like to invite Mr. K. Punniyakoti, Denamalar, Agent, Mudiyatham. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to invite Mr. T. Bhaskaran, Chettikuppam, Real Estate, Financier. Next program, annual report by Fasana ma'am.
In this annual day gathering, now I am going to express our KVS School Annual Report 2024 to 2025. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Our school was started at 23rd October 2015. Our school motto was duty, devotion and discipline. This year has been a very eventful one for us. We have made great efforts to transform the attitude of children and have been extremely successful in most of our endeavor with immense pleasure. Real education fetches you more than a job. It takes you to live. It cannot be measured in any tangible way. I also thank for the support of our management, parents, students, teachers and well-wishers. The system of education is interpol at blend of theory and practice in a right proportion to arrive comprehensive curriculum. Our institution has a strong team of 13 staff members who are dedicated and well-inspired, experienced. First and foremost, I would like to thank the parents. Dear parents, thank you for having trust in us. You have trust, you are the biggest support for us. I will say that you are the one who are helping back home and encouraging the students and became the star of the evening of KVS school. Our institution stratified both in academic and administration, be with school curriculum, extracurriculum, karate, Bharadam, sports, event hosting and many more. From sports to celebrating occasion, each day hold a surprise. In this academic, you are celebrate national festivals, Kamaraj's birthday, Teachers' Day, Independence Day, Children's Day, Republic Day and Sports Day. And we celebrate the festivals, suppose Pongal and suppose Christmas. We welcome our parents by inviting a parent sports meet in our school campus to share some delightful memories of life. It was joyful moment with that smile. In our school, we conducted parents-teachers meet to inspire academic excellence in education. We congratulate the students who participate in sports day. Many students won the prizes. And once again, I congratulate those students who participate in annual day speech, dance, song and drama. Now we are going to celebrate the 10th annual day program in our KVS school and cheer up to our school students. Thank you.
E. Thangamani Vijaykutti sir, to honor the chief guest. Next, I request E. Thangamani Vijaykutti sir to honor Mr. Vijaya Velusamy, who was started his career as a coconut merchant. Because of his multiple talents, he became a politician as well as a founder of KVS school. We are proud to honor him. Next, I request Tilakavati ma'am.
வருகவே வணங்கியே வரவேற்போம் வருகவே செந்தமிழில் கவி பாடி உளமாற வரவேற்போம்
வருகவே வருகவே வணங்கி பாடுகிறேன் வருகவே 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 வணங்கி பாடுகிறேன் வருகவே அழகு தமிழ் கொண்டு உண்மை வரவேற்றோம் இனிய முகம் கொண்டு உண்மை வரவேற்றோம் அழகு தமிழ் கொண்டு உண்மை வரவேற்றோம் இனிய முகம் கொண்டு உண்மை வரவேற்றோம் வருகவே வருகவே வணங்கி பாடுகிறேன் வருகவே 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 வணங்கி பாடுகிறேன் வருகவே